Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn on a fingerprint lock on Android 16 with One UI 8.0. Open Settings, so scroll up to go to your apps, scroll over, and then go to Settings. Scroll down and go to Lock Screen and OAD. It says Lock Screen and Biometrics and Always on Display. Now go to Screen Lock and Biometrics. It's currently set to Password. Type your password and click Continue. Under Biometrics, go to Fingerprints. It says Add your fingerprints. Fingerprints, a quick and easy way to unlock your phone and verify yourself in apps. Your fingerprint data is secured by Knox. More about fingerprints. For your security, you'll need to enter your pattern, PIN, or password from time to time as a backup to your biometrics. Learn more. Make sure that you don't use a screen cover while registering fingerprints. Thick protective film can affect performance. If you use a screen protector, check to make sure it's labeled as compatible with on-screen fingerprint sensor. Now, I've personally run into a lot of issues with the fingerprint lock and having screen protectors on my phone. The past 3 phones I've had, I haven't actually been able to set up a fingerprint lock with a screen protector. So that's something to be very cautious of. Click Continue. Fingerprint registration help. Fill the entire circle. To get the best scan, press with the pad of your finger inside the circle, then lift it when the circle is fully highlighted. Repeat until you reach 100%. Note that the location of the circle will move a little each time. Click Register. Press your finger inside the circle. Lift it when the circle is fully highlighted, then press again. So you're going to press on the circle. It's 20%. Lift your finger. Keep doing it until it registers completely. 30, 39, 47, 61, 66, 71, 76, 83, 91, 100. Fingerprint added. Add another. You can click Add or Done. I'm just going to go Done for now. As you can see, once you do that, it shows up as Fingerprint 1. If you've added more than one, you'll see Fingerprint 1, Fingerprint 2, however many you've added. Now you can go out of the settings. And that is how you add a fingerprint lock to Android 16 with One UI 8.0. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos, and I will see you in my next video.